Conversion of decimals to percentage. Example. Convert 0.25 to percentage. In order to convert this decimal number into a percentage, you have to first convert it into a fraction, and then from there we convert into percentage. And this is how it's done. Solution. We are working with the number 0.25. You first bring this to a fraction by dividing it by 1. Now you multiply the numerator and the denominator by power of 10, depending on the number of decimal places you have. And since we have 2 decimal places, it means we are doing 10 raised to power 2, which is 100. So we multiply the numerator by 100 and the denominator also by 100. This would give us 25 over 100. Now we have a fraction. You can take this to the fraction in its simplest term or just easily multiply by 100%. So let's do it straight. So multiplying this by 100%. You see here that 100 here 1, 100 here 1. It cuts out easily, leaving us with our final answer of 25%. Take note, even if you have brought this fraction to its simplest term before multiplying by 100, you will still arrive at 25. This way is just faster. Thank you.